November is here, and we start the month with a lovely introduction to Angela Madden's surprising silhouettes, based on her book of the same name and featured as our book of the month. She creates these amazing designs that you too can easily replicate in the comfort of your own home. She also has a wide range of your choice patterns in our shop using a similar technique. Our Sampler Throw knitting series continues with our expert knitter Daphne Morris, showing us the cable block section of this lovely project to keep us all cosy and warm as the nights draw in. Talking of keeping warm, our new crochet workshop from Jane Chire will enable you to create this very striking Suzette riot cowl and scarf, which will certainly keep the winter winds away. And of course, Christmas is not far away now, so Valerie Nesbitt has recorded this lovely Christmas table runner workshop, so you can create something that will look beautiful and stylish on any festive dinner table this season. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.